The 3 best apps to make beats. What if you could make professional sounding beats right from your phone or tablet? No studio, no cables, just your ideas and the right app. Today we're counting down the 3 best apps to make beats, ranked from number 3 to number 1. Each one fits a different kind of creator, so stick around because the top app can take your music from bedroom to stage. 3. BandLab, free, fun, and surprisingly powerful. At number 3, we have BandLab, a full music studio that lives on your phone. It lets you record, mix, master, and even collaborate with producers around the world. It's creative, social, and completely free. Advantages: unlimited projects and cloud storage, loop packs, instruments, and quick mastering. Built-in social feed to share or remix tracks. Disadvantages: certifié, internet required for most tools. Fewer premium sounds than paid DAWs. Less control for professional mixing. Best for beginners or hobbyists who want to learn fast and create anywhere. If you just want to experiment and publish instantly, BandLab makes it easy and fun. 2. FL Studio Mobile Serious Power on the go. In second place, FL Studio Mobile, the pocket version of a legendary studio tool. Used by professional producers worldwide, it brings real instruments, drum kits, and synths into your phone. You can arrange full tracks, mix, and export radio-ready beats. Advantages: professional mixer, effects, and automation. Dozens of instruments and samples included. Syncs with the desktop version for full production. Disadvantages: certifié. Paid app requires a one-time purchase. Slight learning curve for newcomers. Heavy projects can slow on smaller devices. Best for intermediate or advanced producers who want studio quality in their pocket. If you already know music basics, FL Studio Mobile gives you professional control anywhere. 1. GarageBand, simple, powerful, and iconic. Taking the crown is GarageBand, Apple's all-in-one music creation suite. It turns your iPad or iPhone into a complete studio with drums, keyboards, guitars, and smart loops ready to play. You can make anything: trap, pop, lo-fi, even cinematic scores. Advantages: intuitive layout with professional sound quality. Smart drums and live loops for instant rhythm creation. Huge library of real instruments and effects. Exports easily to Logic Pro for pro mixing. Disadvantages: certifié, only for Apple devices. Large files can fill up storage. Limited advanced mixing controls. Best for creators who want smooth workflow and top-tier sound. If you love plug-and-play creativity, GarageBand makes beatmaking feel effortless.
Final recap and strategy.
Here's the quick rundown. BandLab, best free option for quick inspiration. FL Studio Mobile, best for portable professional production. GarageBand, best all-around app for quality and ease of use. Smart path:
Start with BandLab to learn. Upgrade to GarageBand for better tools.
then move into FL Studio Mobile when you're ready for advanced project. Pro tips: use headphones for accurate mixing. Build a loop first, then layer instruments. Add light EQ and compression for punch. Save your projects often, inspiration fades fast. Music creation is no longer locked behind studio doors. With these apps, your phone becomes your creative instrument. So open one, tap that first kick, and start crafting beats that move people. This video and all the content on this channel are for informational and opinion purposes only. They do not constitute technical, financial, or professional advice. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more.